welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to do yoga HIIT, or you can say yoga IT. We are going to do some yoga drills. So we're going to give it 50 seconds or 50 seconds to 1 minute of one practice, and then we are going to switch on to the other one. You have to do your stretches, a little bit of warming up of the body before you start the drills, because there's a lot of stretches included, strengthening exercises included. So you need to have a little warm body before you start the practice. People who have not subscribed to my channel and who are new here, I would really request them, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notified every time whenever I put the video. And let's go to the video now. For the warm-up, I will be doing a simple jog. Some high knees. Some toe touches in the back. And some stretches. Simple side stretches. Windmill. Down and up. And we are ready. You can do a little more if you want. So you're going to do some balancing, play with some balancing asanas, some balancing practices. Let us begin. Taking the right leg up and hands up. Very good. Taking the leg back, going for warrior 3 and lunge. Change, balance and up. Relax. Again, left side up, balance, lunge, change, balance, up and down. Very good. Once again, up, balance, lunge, change, balance, up and relax. And repeat. Let's do it at least one more count on the left side. Change, up and relax. Awesome. The next workout, we are going to go for side plank. Lifting up, take it like a thread. Up and start and change. On the other side, lift up, thread, up and start. Awesome. And again, right hand down, left hand up, left goes for thread, start and back. Let's do up, thread, start and back. One more time. Up, thread, star and down. Up, thread, star and down. Awesome. The next is we are going to go to tabletop position, and from there we are going to go for elbow plank. Tabletop, then plank. Right. Tabletop, you're going to keep your knees off the floor. Elbow plank. Tabletop. Awesome. This is a burner. And plank. Tabletop. And plank. By the way, the plank in Sanskrit is also called as Palakasana. Palakasana, something like that. Yeah, I think Palakasana. Awesome. Oh, few more rounds. and then we'll go to the stretch. Very good. Next one, Skandasana. We go for down, up, on the other side, and up. Last exercise, guys. So keep doing. Up, down, and up. Down, up, down, and up. Left side and right side. Very good. Left side and right side. You can keep stretching your hand at the back. Left, up, right, up. Left, up, right, up. Left, up, right, up. Left, up, right, up. 10 more seconds. Don't lose it. You are there. And last one. And awesome. It's been great, guys. Keep doing it. I think I'll repeat it for one more set, and then I think I'll be done. You can stop it here, or if you want, you can repeat it twice or thrice. Okay, let's start, guys. Be ready. Prepare for the posture, and here you go. Right, balance, lunge, change, balance, up, down. Again, left, balance, lunge, change, balance, up, and relax. Again, right side, lift up, take it back, push it down, swipe, take it up, and forward, and relax. Up, back, lunge, change, back, up, release. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last time, left, back, and change, balance, lift up, relax. Awesome. Here you go, the second one. So you're going to go for tabletop and then elbow plank. Back to tabletop and plank. You can even keep your knees down, whichever suits you. Whichever suits you, okay? No hard and fast rule, and everyone's body is different, so you don't have to follow what I'm doing. I'm just giving you an idea. If you want to follow the same thing, you can make some changes. Awesome. We're going to move to the next one, which is side plank. Awesome. You're going to go to side and tap, lift and change. Up and tap, lift and change. Up, thread, lift, change. Up, thread, lift, change. Up, thread, lift, change. Up, 2 more rounds. Keep an eye, fall, and that's natural. Awesome. Let's go to Skandasana. Last one. And I'm sweating already. You can stretch your hands after doing so much planking. stops. Just keep your legs moving. Here you go. Last couple of rounds and you'll be done. And that is all. Bye. See you in my next video.